up, YouTube? It's your girl, woman.wol, but you can call me woman. Coming back to you guys today with another video. So, in this video, we'll be doing a part 2 to the office makeover. I will be giving you guys an update to see the progress of my office now. I would say it's about 70% complete. Last time you guys, the video I posted, you guys didn't even get to see the completed desk. So my desk is definitely up right now and functioning. I accidentally deleted the clip for me to add in the last video of it being finished. So yeah, so this video I'll probably be just showing you guys my office. I'm looking around now thinking like, damn, I should have probably cleaned up before me turning on this video, but it doesn't really matter. I had like a really productive day today, so I actually got like a lot of papers, and like my desk just looks a mess because I actually used my desk. So I'm going to briefly pause the screen, and in the next clip it'll be like you guys seeing what the room looks like now. Okay, you guys, so this is what my desk looks like. It's a two-tiered, as you guys can see. I got like stuff everywhere. It's my computer and all of that stuff. So the desk looks okay. I actually had got somebody to put together the desk for me. So, again, this is like my mouse pad, my computer, like it's wireless and stuff. Alright, so I'm just going to start telling you guys like the stuff that I got on my desk. So this is a pretty cool salt rock that I had got. I believe this was a Christmas gift. This was like a birthday gift last year, a piece of amethyst. This is a globe that I have. I got this from Ross. This is like, I forgot where I got what this is called, but I got this from Ross as well. A little Buddha I got. I need to throw this away. This was like just a random ass gift from somebody. I got like these little storage things that I keep like documents and important stuff in. This is just like extra ink, my checkbook, story outline, stuff for when I like vlog, little notepads. Why, yes, I am overqualified. This is like my extra printer paper and stuff. This will probably, I need to buy a printer stand, so this will get stored in the printer stand. Majority of the stuff that's in here, my diploma, my apple cider vinegar drink, an old candle. I got this actually from Ross as well. And the stuff that I want to get, is like a little utensil holder for me to hold like pens, my scissors, and stuff like that. I want to get like this, like a little acrylic drawer as well. So it's just like little things that I need to get. So I also want to get a vision board as well for me to put. So last time you guys seen this place as well. I don't even think I had like, from the last video, I don't even think I had hung up like any of the beaded curtains yet. So there's some of them like right there. So I'm actually going to flip the camera around again, show you some of the artwork that I have on the walls. And like you probably saw the tapestry that was hanging in the background as well when I was showing you the other side of my desk. So I'm going to show you guys that stuff. And I'm going to like get online while I'm doing this stuff. While I'm filming the video, and show you guys like other additions that I want to add to the office. So stay tuned. Alright, so those are the two pictures that I have hanging right there. I think they look really cool. and bring out like the blue that's in this carpet and stuff. So there's like blue in the carpet. So I really like this two paintings a lot. Everybody asks me like, did you paint that yourself? Like, I'm not that artistic, but maybe one day. And let me get up. So that TV's still there, but as you can see, I condensed down like a lot of stuff still. That's just my dryer, a step stool that I can take out of the room at any time. And over there, like in that box, is just the comforter. On top of the comforter is like stuff for like heft that we never gave them yet. So like all of this stuff is just like sporadic and can leave. But that's the tapestry. I love this tapestry. It's like me to a T. Like when I have my pineapple on, if y'all like, I have a scarf that looks exactly like that I wear every night. So like she has glasses on, her highlighter's popping. Not that I wear makeup, but my natural highlighter is popping. But back in the day when I used to wear makeup, like this was like how I looked. So I love that tapestry. So I want to get another beaded curtain. There's two up there and it doesn't really like look full, and it's not really beads, as you can see. There's beads on it, but for the most part it's like string, so it don't really look as full as I would want it to. And this is like 2 panels as well, and it looks like this. So I might need to get 4 panels to get the desired look that I want. And I might do like mix it with like gray or mix it with the yellow. But yeah, this is like the room, you guys. So this is just like, let's see. This is how it looks if you come into the room. So you come into the room, then you can see my office. And like behind my desk, I need to, but this is why I need the printer stand, because my printer's right on the floor next to the paper shredder. So I want to get that printer. And the printer stand will probably like be like right here where like that TV is. And like above it is where I'll do the vision board. So I'm still up in the air if I want to hang this TV up in here or not, because I don't really know. But yeah, this is what that the room looks like. So comment below, you guys, and let me know some ideas that you would like to see. What I'm thinking about is putting a chase lounge like right here and making it a little seating area. So I'll have a chase lounge and it'll be surrounded by like a whole bunch of like furry pillows and like stuff like that. So you'll be able to like sit on the lounge as well as sit like in front of it. So I want to make it very comfortable for other people to sit in here as well. I actually can do like, I want to do like a seat for like right here or something, like a seating area, maybe 2 seats like right here as well. I just want to have like a lot of sitting room just in case if I ever do collaboration videos or I have to have some type of meeting in like my office with other people here. I want it to be like ample amount of room for me to sit. But the TMI tag, I stood up and I stood underneath this picture right here and I just did like the video right there. So it's very versatile. There's a lot of room in here and I can do a lot of stuff. Yeah, so as I was saying, it's very versatile and I can do like a lot of things here, and I have like a lot of great ideas as well. But I'm kind of indecisive because I just showed you like where I want to do the vision board, but I have a space like behind me, like right there, and it would be like perfect for me to just turn, like picture, you guys are with me, picture me just turning to the vision board and like put it right there. So I might just hang the TV over there and put the vision board like right there. But I'm gonna just prop y'all right there real quick while I pull up Amazon and look up some stuff with you guys. So yeah, I'm just pulling up that Amazon link and waiting for it to load. Let me see if I got anything in my cart already. So I guess this is what like I have in my cart so far. Let me pause it. This is like what I have in my cart so far. I'm not really like pleased to like not say I'm not pleased with it. I'm not sold with this, but that's like roughly around the size that I want. Ideally, I would like I actually want maybe a purple fuchsia color. Kind of like the colors that's in that painting or something. To bring out like another element and pop a color for this, and I think it would tie in real nice with that tapestry. Now they do have like this blue one, but it's not necessarily like the type of chase lounge I want. Like I want something that looks like this, but if I can have like the embellishments that's in this chair, like how it has like them emblems in it, like that's what I'm looking for. But let me just see if I can something like this color, but this is for kids, so I actually looked at this before. With Amazon, like the best way to verify your purchase to see like how it looks is to look at the product reviews and see if there's pictures, and there was pictures. And it's pretty small, like it goes like at the foot of a bed or something. I want it to, you see, I want it to be bigger than that, and it's low to the ground. That's not what I'm really looking for, but I love like the color of it. You see, it's for kids. I'm not a kid, so I still want to be able to get some use out of it myself. For video purposes, like it would be nice to just like that be my backdrop for when I film certain videos. That's not like what I'm doing now. It would not be nice to just have like a nice backdrop. So, and I would like to sit on a chase or something like this. So, comment below if you guys see anything like that that you think would like match my vibe and what I'm trying to do here. Let me know. Definitely willing to hear like opinions and ideas and stuff. I think that it looks completely different from the last video that you guys saw, and I think you'll be pretty proud of me. I'll probably do some desk organization tips when I get like more stuff. Right now I'm just able to have a room for a dedicated workspace. And yeah, like I looked at this before and like it's a little weird, but like it has really decent like amount of stores. It's not like weird, but it's just like it's not the color I necessarily want. Will it match? Absolutely, but it's not necessarily what I'm trying to do here. But when I click on this, like it leads me to other things that like might be similar or even better like than what I'm looking for. So I do be liking to like look at this, like to see something like this even wouldn't be bad because it comes with like pillows and stuff, but it doesn't look like it's like big. You guys see? And with this, I would definitely, like, at least I want 2 people to be able to sit on a lounge. Like, for real. This don't look like I would be able to do that. And let's see the images. Hold on. So with the images, like that's how it looks. But a iffy bad, but I like it. It looks like it was like damaged, but I don't know. Like she's sitting up and her legs is hanging off. Like the pillows are definitely a plus, but I'm going to keep looking, and my next video that I do, you guys will see what it looks like afterwards. I was eager to film it just so you guys could see like the progress. I'm thinking about changing the light fixture, getting some better lighting. Sorry, the camera was full and I ran out of battery. So I'm just going to wrap up this video. Thank you guys for watching again. Like the video. Don't forget to comment below, subscribe, hit the little notification bell for you guys to stay up to date with all of my uploads. And don't forget to comment below your ideas and stuff, and let me know what you think I should do with the office. I'm interested for like a third opinion. But thank you guys for watching. Love you, wols. Be productive.